Hi friends, how are you? Hope all are well in this pandemic situations. Today I will discuss about WBCS syllabus. WBCS West Bengal topmost exam, by which you can get lucrative job like block development officer, that is known as deputy collector and deputy magistrate, and DSP, deputy superintendent of police. WBCS exam usually occurred in three stages. First stage preliminary exam, that is totally objective type. Okay. Second stage main, in which you can find both objective plus conventional type, and third stage is personality test. Okay, this is the three tier of the exam. After qualifying the three tests, you can get various post: group A, group B, group C, group D. Now, one by one I will discuss about the exam. At first, preliminary exam total exam is objective type, and total marks is 200. Total marks 200. In this exam, you will find some portion general studies like English composition, which belongs to 25 marks, general science 25 marks, current events of national and international importance, that's below 25 marks, history of India 25, geography of India 25, Indian polity and economy 25, Indian national movement 25, general mental ability 25. Total marks 200. Now I will elaborately discuss about each and every syllabus. In English comprehension, you find synonyms, antonyms, idiom and phrases, vocabulary test, phrasal verbs, homophones, fill in the qualifying words. This is the English syllabus for WBCS prelims exams. Okay. Now, in case of general science, you will find general apprehension, understanding of science, matters of everyday observation, experience as expected from an educated person not having made special studies of scientific disciplines, current events of national and international importance. It is also called as this is also called as current affairs. Okay. In this case, you will find significant events affecting India and its relations with the world. History of India divided in three stages: ancient, medieval, and modern. Geography of India with special reference of West Bengal. It's also divided into three parts: physical geography, social geography, economic geography. I will elaborately discuss each and every part of the syllabus one by one, and I will totally cover all the syllabus. In all my video from today, I will cover it one by one. And if you follow my channel, I will assure you will get success in WCS prelims and main also. In case of Indian polity and economy, you will find Indian constitution, Panchayati Raj, constitutional bodies, etc. This is the main part in which questions are comes from WBCS prelims. Indian national movements, actually it's a part of Indian history in which nature and characters of 19th century resurgence, growth of nationalism, and attainment of Indian independence are belongs. General mental ability, logical reasoning, and common aptitude. This is the main eight section that belongs to preliminary exam for WBCS. Each section contain 25 marks and total marks 200. Generally, its cutoff mark is 1 120 to 135. Okay, in this year. Okay, so please prepare yourself to obtain mark between 122 to 135. Next, I will go to main discuss about main exam. Main exam occurred objective plus conventional. Two in papers of paper 1, that is conventional type. In here you have to read English plus Bengali. I will discuss everything one by one. Paper 2 also conventional type. Paper 3 objective, paper 4 objective, paper 5 objective, paper 6 objective, paper 7 and 8, that is conventional type, that is optional paper. And last paper is personality test, not paper, it is interview personality test. Each paper had 200 marks. Okay, here is the breakup. In paper 1 you have to choose any one of the subject: Bengali, Hindi, Urdu, Nepali or Santali. Total mark 200. In this paper you have to write precise writing, composition, translation from English to Bengali, Hindi, Urdu, Nepali. Okay, this is paper 1 syllabus. Paper 2 English. Here you have to write letter, precise, composition and translation from Bengali. Composition and translation from Bengali. Paper 3 General Studies. In paper 3 you have to cover Indian history with special emphasis on national movement and geography of India, special reference to West Bengal. Paper 3 belongs to history and geography. Paper 4 General Studies. Here you have to cover science and scientific and technology advancement, environment, general knowledge, current affairs. Okay. Paper 5 The Constitution of India and Economy, including role and function of Reserve Bank of India. Paper 6 Arithmetic and test of reasoning. This is the main total syllabus. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, total 1200 number plus optional subject. Optional subject had 400 number. Two papers. Optional subject has 400 number. Two papers total 1600 numbers. You have to cover in main. There is various optional subject you can opt it for your main. That's Bengali, Hindi, Sanskrit, English, Pali, Arabic, Persian, French, Urdu, comparative literature, agriculture, animal husbandry, anthropology, botany, chemistry, civil engineering, commerce and accountancy, computer science, economics, electrical engineering, geography, geology, history, law, mathematics, management, mechanical engineering, medical science, philosophy, physics, political science, psychology, sociology, statistics, zoology. Each and every optional subject has unique code. You have to fill the unique code when you fill your WBCS form. Okay, now I will move to next, that is personality test. For group A and B you have to 200 marks for personality test, and group C and 150 marks, and for group D 100 marks. But uh, no separate personality test will be held on different groups, Group A, Group B, Group C and Group D in respect of a candidate. Marks will be awarded according to different service against allotted full marks for personality test. So if you qualified for Group A and Group B, if you give a personality test for 200 marks and you are not chosen for Group A or Group B and you are come from Group C, then your Group C interview not occurred individually. Just marks deduction will be deducted on the basis of 150 marks, and you can compete with others Group C candidate. So you have to give only one time interview. This is the details of WBCS syllabus. If you have any query about the syllabus, you can comment in my comment sections. I will discuss at first about India, history of India. Okay, then I will go uh, one optional subject, that is psychology. Hmm? These two paper I will cover fully. These two paper I will cover fully from today. Psychology and history. Okay, thank you for